Super Gem right here. And today I want to share my experience with Carlos Caridad. Carlos Caridad, it's been a very important part in my healing process. I had rheumatoid arthritis in my hands, wrists, and shoulders. It was 6 years of several pain that I couldn't even move. I'm a musician and I play ukulele and I couldn't play. I couldn't do anything. Even do a ponytail or write sometimes. I moved to LA from New York and then I met Carlos. When he told me about Reiki, I couldn't believe. I couldn't believe in Reiki. How come? How possible? Some Reiki, it would heal something that I've been fighting for 6 years and I have tried it all. I decided, why not? I'm going to try one more thing. I can live with this pain. I need to be happy. When you're in pain, you feel miserable. You want to die. You have bad thoughts. All of that I had. I started my first session with Carlos, second session, third, and everything was slowly changing, but strongly in my body. To the point that I didn't take anymore my monthly shot. It was a monthly shot that I used to take for pain. But my body didn't feel well, and I didn't like that shot every month. I just wanted to live without pain. I don't want to be depending to something in order to feel better. And last session with Carlos, it was magical. All the sessions, they've been incredible. But this one especially, the last one I had, and I hope it's not the last one because I always want to have more and more. It's very important you to keep checking what is wrong with you and your thoughts and your energy. That's why Reiki exists. Reiki help you to canalize the pain, where they come from, why is there, how to release it. And that was Carlos' job with me. He helped me to channeling my pain, why I had that pain, how release it, how throw it out from my body, how have control of all my. I am testimony number 1 that this is energy and is very, very important to find help, to get Reiki, to heal. And I want to invite you today to make that happen.